Hi there, welcome back to Affluent Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about LoyJoy, which is basically a platform that allows you to utilize AI agents to resolve customer requests and queries via chat and phone. Straight away, we can see the headline is very clear, and I like this because the headline already tells you what they do. You don't have to read any further to understand the service that they provide. Okay, and they even explain more down here, saying that it's a no-code platform for agentic AI and the customer interface. Right. So I like the simplicity and actual clarity. Also, as soon as we scroll down, we can see the high average 4.9 rating on Capterra and this 4.8 rating on OMR reviews, which is an instant hit of credibility. Here, they've also got more credibility in terms of being trusted by over 100 companies in the DACH region. I assume it says it's a German company, so probably um, in the German, yeah, German industry, but it's also for Europe. So you can see a lot of brands that you might know, like from say, to the FC Cologne team, football team, and also Aldi, very high profile brand. Zurich, okay. So this is really good in terms of credibility because I've already had experience with the high profile brands, especially in Germany. And the beautiful thing about this placement as well is that you can go and read the individual case studies if you want to actually have a perspective of what working with this company would be like if you choose to do so. So that is really strong credibility. And here they go more in depth about the benefits of working with this um, with this AI agents platform. Okay, and they talk about how easy it is to set it up and the amazing stats that you can you are able to achieve like 4 to 6 weeks to go live, and the reduction in email volume by at least 70%, which is quite impressive. Okay, definitely would be easier for your customer service team to handle, and also a 200% increase in conversion rate, which is very helpful. And you can see more of these applications in um this success stories, okay, which is very very good for credibility. Okay, they've also got a nice video that you can watch if you are looking to do one to watch one. And if we keep scrolling now, you can see more certificates of compliance that they have. Again, this is very helpful if you are interested in security. And they've also got some video testimonials. Video testimonials are probably very powerful in order
Vielleicht ist
to
es ja ein
actually,
Konrad und
you
ich
know,
vertrete
to actually convey the credibility of the platform. And they've got multiples here that you can go and check,
Mein
which
Name
is
ist
really good.
Christopher Kraft und ich vertrete.
Though they're all in German, but if you were German, I'm sure that would definitely give you a lot of confidence. And they've also got some, as we've seen before, they reiterate the high rating on Capterra and also some awards that they've won, which is good. What they do well here as well is that they've got some frequently asked questions, and this is important in order to decrease any potential uh, objections that a prospect might have before making a purchasing decision. And they do this very beautifully here, and they explain it more about the software. And the other advantage of this FAQ is that it means that you're gonna get less questions through your phone, asking for people to explain more about what the software does. Okay, and here they also have a very good lead magnet, I would say, or incentive to provide your actual contact details, because it clearly states that they will give you free potential analysis with concrete examples from your industry. Okay, they say they will analyze in half an hour which of your customer requests AI agents can already resolve today. And so this is very powerful if you're looking to automate your customer resolution requests. And They also have a very neat contact form that's not too long, and they state what are the benefits of booking a demo. So this is done really well. This then takes us to the end of the homepage. I guess just for completion, we can go and check on the actual pricing page, and we can see the pricing page is also very clear. We can see you get the clear prices, and if you want something more custom made, you can actually contact them directly. But other than that, you can see the prices for the first two tiers, and each tier has each feature explained very clearly. So there's no ambiguity. So it's a really good website for that reason. Um, Also, um, this therefore takes us to the end of the teardown. But I would say again, from a conversion rate optimization perspective, what we would do to see if there was a way to increase the conversions would simply be to potentially use heat maps to check where most of the attention of the audience is directed to. And if we saw a potential to increase the conversions, we would probably run some A/B tests to check if the variant had more high conversions by simply moving some elements about and potentially changing the copy here and there. And if that was a winner, then we might see an increase in conversions, and that would definitely be a positive outcome, especially without having to increase your ad spend. But other than that, this therefore takes us to the end of the video. I hope you guys like this. And if you happen to run a SaaS business with a free trial and you would like to increase your conversions from free trials to paid users, then you can click on the link down below in the description to book a call. Other than that, I hope you guys like this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye.